How much does installing a new HVAC system cost? Type of system. Costs vary by the type of HVAC system. Central air $3,000 to $7,000 plus. Furnace $2,500 to $7,500 plus. Heat pump $4,000 to $7,500 plus. Ductless mini-split $3,000 to $10,000 plus. Or geothermal $10,000 to $30,000 plus. Home size. Installation cost depends on your home's size and layout. Larger homes may require more equipment and labor. Increasing costs. Location, local labor rates, and market conditions impact installation costs. Upgrades, additional features, such as smart thermostats, air purifiers, or zoning systems. If you are in need of HVAC, remodeling, or general contracting services, give us a call at 361-888-8881 for more information.